Tedder. Hey, Stache. Come here. Hey, good morning, baby. Harry, okay, you get some scratches too. Plenty to go around. Plenty to go around. Hey, Tedder. Yes, baby. Ooh, somebody's purring. Tedder. Tedder's purring. Stache, come on.
Where's Stache?
Stache, you're the coolest cat anyone's ever seen.
Stache, why are you being so shy?
He thinks you're going to grab and go with him to the dentist or something.
Stache.
Dexter will come for food.
I love these cats. Come here, Stache.
Stache.
Stache ain't feeling it.
He'll be back. Teddy.
They're like little puppies. I can't believe it. I've never had any cats like this in my life come up to me and eat a treat it like this. They're cat puppies. Come on. Look, I can't get over this. Like regular cats. They're puppy cats. Look at the faces.
See, you're like a dog person, right?
I love all animals.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm a dog person.
You're a dog person?
I like koala bears too.
See, I love all animals and I love all cats, but I have this thing for this breed that just, you know,
Let me tell you, I've seen a lot of cats. These are by far the coolest cats I've ever been around in my life.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm in a lot of houses every day. All right, guys.
Tedder! What's wrong, Teddy?
It's a honking cat. It's a honking cat.
Teddy? Okay. Good morning. Let me guess. You want me to untangle your toy, right? Teddy? Okay. All right, Bindi. Teddy, it's this one right here. Yeah? Well, you know I have to untangle it. Okay, Teddy. Let me see if I can fix it, okay? All right. Teddy? It's right here, baby. I'm gonna fix it. I need to untangle this. Let's see if I can figure it out. You want me to fix it for you, baby? Yes? Tedder? I'll fix it for you. I promise. Yes. All right, you gotta leave me alone while I cut it, because if you don't, then I'm not gonna be able to untangle it. But you're gonna have to let me untangle it first, okay? So stop pawing at it, please. Just wait. Teddy, I promise. Soon, Teddy, soon. Hey, success. That's right, Bindi. I got it. Right, Teddy? You happy now? I know you are. Are you happy too, Stache? Where is it? Huh? Where is it? I have it right here. Right there, Tedder. Yes.